Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we discussed about exterior angle and its properties. Today we will solve some problems on this property. Let us see exercise 6.2. First question is, find the value of unknown angle x in the following diagrams. Exercise 6.2. Question first is, find the values of unknown angle x in the following diagrams. In the following diagrams. Diagram is like this. We have a triangle. Whose exterior angle is, this angle is 50 degree, this angle 70 degree, and this exterior angle is x. We have to find the value of this angle x. Okay? We know that when a side of a triangle is produced, जब किसी ट्रायंगल की साइड को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, देन एंगल फॉर्म इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर एंगल. जब किसी ट्रायंगल की किसी भी साइड को आगे की तरफ बढ़ाया जाता है तो उस ट्रायंगल के एक्सटीरियर में जो एंगल फॉर्म होता है वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. ओके, एंड बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल वी नो दैट सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल्स द सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑलवेज इक्वल्स the sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so this is the exterior angle and these two interior angles are interior opposite angle of this triangle. Okay, so by the property of exterior angle, this exterior angle x is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. These are the interior opposite angles, 50 plus 70. So x is equal to 50 plus 70, 120 degree. Okay, this way we can find the value of exterior angle x. Okay, let us see some other questions. Here we have a figure like this. In second question, we have a figure like this. This angle is 65 degree. This angle is 45 degree. And this angle is x. Okay? Here, this side of the triangle is produced. Then exterior angle is formed here. Okay, by the property of exterior angle, these two interior opposite angle are by the property of by the property of exterior angle by the property of exterior angle. This is the exterior angle and these two angles are interior opposite angles. So this exterior angle x is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles 65 plus 45 degree. We will get 110 degree. Okay, this way we can find the value of the unknown angle x, which is exterior angle of the triangle. Okay, exterior angle may be in different situations. The figure may be also like this. Let us see sixth question. The figure is like this. Here this angle is x and these two angles are 30 and 60 degree. 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, here also this angle is x is exterior angle. So by the property of exterior angle we can find the value of x. X is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Okay, the exterior angle may be in different situations. exterior angle किसी भी साइड को आगे बढ़ाने पर बाहर की तरफ फॉर्म होता है, तो उसकी जो सिचुएशन है, पोजीशन है, वो डिफरेंट हो सकती है. ओके, आपको इतना ही जानना है कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल को जब आगे की तरफ एक्सटेंड किया जाता है तो बाहर में जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल बनता है ट्रायंगल के एक्सटीरियर में, दैट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल, और उससे जो सटा हुआ एंगल है वो इंटीरियर एडसेंट एंगल है. रिमेनिंग टू इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स. सो by the property of exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles. This way we can find the value of x. Okay, remaining questions are of the same type, so you will solve yourself. Now see the next question, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Find the value of unknown interior angle. Unknown interior angle in the following diagrams. Okay, here in this question you have to find the value of unknown interior angle. Means value of the exterior angle is given and you have to find the value of unknown interior angle. The figure is like this. First is (115°). This angle is, and interior opposite angles are 50 degree and x. Okay? Here in this question, you have to find the value of this interior angle, unknown interior angle x. Here exterior angle is given. यहाँ पे आपको exterior angle given है और interior opposite angle x और 50 है. You have to find the value of x. Okay? So by this first part of this question, number 2, by the property of exterior angle, by the property of exterior angle, we know that exterior angle always equals the sum of interior opposite angles. So this exterior angle 115 degree is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Here interior opposite angles are 50 degree and x. So we can write 115 is equal to 50 degree plus x. Okay? Because we know that exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles. Okay? Now transposing 50 degree को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. 115 डिग्री माइनस 50 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू x. ओके? सब्सट्रैक्टिंग दिस we get 65 degree. Okay? Value of x is how much? 65 degree. Okay? Let us see some other questions. Here, see the third part of this question. The figure is like this. This angle is 125 degree. This angle is 125 degree. And there is symbol like this. This is the symbol of 90 degree. And this angle is given x. Here you have to find the value of unknown interior angle x. Okay? Here this side of the triangle is produced, so exterior angle is found 125 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. Symbol. This is the symbol of 90 degree, and this is the angle x. So by the property of exterior angle, by the property of exterior angle, this exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles, means 125 degree is equal to sum of x plus, this is 90 degree, x plus 90. Okay? Now transposing 90 degree to this side, we get 125 degree minus 90 degree is equal to x. Subtracting this, we get 35 degree. Value of unknown angle x is 35 degree. Okay? Remaining questions are of the same type. So I think you will try yourself. If you feel any problem, then you may ask in the next lecture. Now we have the next topic, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. This was very small exercise. So we move to the next topic, angle sum property of triangle. angle sum property of the triangle. We know that a triangle has how many angles? A triangle has 3 angles. Okay? Suppose we have a triangle ABC. Angle sum property of a triangle states that sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay? Sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. These are the 3 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C. So by the angle sum property of triangle, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We can also prove this property. Let us see. Suppose this side of the triangle is produced and this is the exterior angle of the triangle. Suppose angle A is 1, angle B is 2, and this is angle 3, and let this exterior angle equal to 4. Okay? Here we are given a triangle ABC in which angle A is 1, angle B is 2, and angle C, this angle ACB is 3, and this is the exterior angle 4. Okay? So, this exterior angle, we know that by the property of exterior angle, we know that exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2, sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle, okay, is equal to angle 4, because exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angle. So we can write angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay? Now this is an equality statement. ये एक इक्वलिटी स्टेटमेंट है. इक्वेशन में आप जानते हैं कि उसके बोथ साइड में कोई भी नंबर ऐड कर सकते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, और बोथ साइड को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो adding angle 3 both side of this equality statement, adding angle 3 both sides, ये जो आपका इक्वलिटी स्टेटमेंट है, एंगल 1 प्लस 2, एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 4, इसके दोनों साइड में एंगल 3 को हम ऐड कर दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो एंगल 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 3. Here angle 4 plus angle 3, this type of angles, these are linear pair angles. So we know that sum of linear pair angles is always 180 degree. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay? This way we can prove that sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay students? Now we will see some problems on this topic. Now let us see exercise 6.3. Now see problems of exercise 6.3. First question is find the value of the unknown x in the following diagrams. Find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. In the following diagrams. Following diagrams. Okay? First figure is like this. We are given a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC in which angle A is x, B and C are 50 and 60 degree. Angle A is x, angle B is 50 degree and C is 60 degree. Okay? Here you have to find the value of unknown x in this diagram. Okay? So by the property of the angle sum property of triangle, by angle sum property of triangle, by the angle sum property of triangle, we have just proved that sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is x, angle B is 50 degree, angle A is x and angle B is 50 degree, and angle C is 60 degree, plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay? X plus 50 plus 60, 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transposing 110 degree to right hand side, x is equal to 180 minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay? This way we can find the value of unknown angle x. Okay? Let us see some other questions. Second question is see Second question is, the figure is like this. Here we have the triangle PQR. Here angle P is, we are given a symbol of 90 degree. So angle P is 90 degree, angle Q 30 degree, and angle R is X. This is 30 degree and this is X. Okay? This is the second part of this question. We have to find the value of this unknown angle X. So by the property of angle sum property of triangle, by angle sum property of triangle, we can write angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Here angle P is symbol of 90 degree, means angle P is 90 degree, plus angle Q is 30 degree, plus this is angle X, angle R is X. Okay? 90 plus 30, 120 degree, plus X is equal to 180 degree. So transposing 120 degree to right hand side, we get X is equal to 180 minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay? This way we can find the value of unknown angle X. Remaining questions are of the same type, so I think you can solve this question. Okay? Now see the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is the find the value of unknowns X and Y in the following diagrams. Question number 2, find the value of the unknowns X and Y in the following diagrams. In the following diagrams. Okay? The diagram is like this. We are given a triangle in which this angle is X, this is 50, this is X, this is 50, and this is Y, and this exterior angle is given 120 degree. Okay? Here you have to find the value of unknown X and Y. Okay? आपको X और Y दोनों की वैल्यू निकालना है. Here we see that Y and angle of 120 degree. Which types of angles are these? These are linear pair angles. So we know that sum of linear pair angle is always 180 degree. Y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree, because these are linear pair angles. Linear pair angle. Okay, so y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay, we found the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x also. So by the angle sum property of triangle, by angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, x plus 50 degree plus y, sum of all the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, here x plus 50 degree plus value of y is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, x plus 50 plus 60, 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, x is equal to 180 minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay, okay students, we will solve the remaining problems in the next lecture. Thank you very much.